8th class student, exercise 11C, compound interest. Question number 1. One is find the amount and compound interest. P will be 8,000. R is equal to 10% per annum. And time is equal to 1 year. Compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly, R will be divided by 2 and year multiply by 2. After divide by 2, 5% and 2 1 ja 2 half yearly. Formula is amount is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 power is T. We find at first find the amount. P here 8,000. 1 plus R will be half yearly. R will be not write the 10, write the 5 upon 100 power. Time will be 1 year. After multiply by 2 half yearly. Power is 2. A is equal to 8,000 divided by 1 and 20. 1 plus 1 upon 20 has power 2. 8,000 change into improper. 21 ja 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 20 has power 2. 8,000 21 upon 20 write the 2 times. 21 upon 20 20 by 20 2 4 ja 8 and 2 ja. After multiply 21 and 21 441 multiply by 20 2 ja 8 ja and 8 ja. Amount will be 8,820 rupees. CI compound interest to find A minus P. A will be 8,820 minus 8,000. After minus 820 rupees, get the compound interest and amount will 8,820 rupees. Question number 1 is complete. Question number 5. 5 question is Question in question number 5, all question half yearly and quarterly. Question number 5, in question number 5, Swati, P will be 4,40,960 rupees. Did R will be 12 whole 1/2% per annum. Time is equal to 1 whole 1/2. You write the 3/2 years, and question number 5 is compounded half yearly. After 20 to 12 ja 24 and 25 upon 2. After half yearly, divide by 2. R will be 25/4 and time will be 3/2 into 2 is equal to 3 half yearly. Formula is amount is equal to principal is equal to 1 plus R/100 has power t. At first we find the what amount and compound interest paid by her. P value is 40,960. 1 plus R write the 25, write the upon 4 is upon with 100 power is 3. 40,960. 25 1 ja 4 ja 1 plus 1/4 4 ja 16 has power 3. 40,960 make the improper 61 ja 60 and 1 17. 17/16 has power 3. Write the expanded form. 17/16 into 17/16 into 17/16 divide by 16. 16 2 ja 5 ja and 6 ja 1 6 and 10. After multiply, A will be 49,130 rupees. He begged the bank. Interest CI will be A minus P. A year 49,130. P here is 40,960. After minus is 49,130 40,960. After minus 0, 13,7, 1, 8, 8,170 rupees paid the interest paid buyer. Interest paid by her 8,170 rupees. Question number 9 is this question is not half yearly, is quarterly. Sudarshan deposited 32,000 rupees and rate is equal to 5% per annum. Time is equal to 6 months. Compounded quarterly. For quarterly, R divided by 4 and 6 months, 3 months will be 1 quarter. 6 is equal to upon 3, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 quarter. Make be 6 months. Formula is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon and has power T. P here 32,000. R is quarterly 4. 5 write the numerator, 4 is the side of 100. Power is 2. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 32,000. 1 plus 1 upon 24 ja 80 has power 2. 32,000. 81 ja 18 and plus 1 81. 81 upon 80 has power 2. Write the expanded form. 81 upon 80 into 81 upon 80. 20 by 20. 8 4 ja and 8 5 ja. After multiply, A will be 32,805 rupees. Amount received after 6 months. Question number 9 is complete. Question 10 is 10 question is 2 question are solve the half yearly, and 2 question solve the quarterly. Arun took the loan. Question number 10 is 3,90,625 rupees. Take the loan from the Kuber Finance. Interest rate R is equal to 16 per annum, and 16 per annum compounded quarterly. What amount discharged did he debt after 1 year? Time is equal to 1 year. For quarterly, divide R divided by 4, 16 upon 4, and multiply. Time is equal to 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 quarter make the 1 year. 4 4 ja 16, 4%, and 4 quarter formula is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 has power T. P value is 3,90,625. 1 plus R will be 4 upon 100 has power 4. 3,90,625 divide by 4, 1 and 25. 1 plus 1 upon 25 has power 4. 3,90,625 change into improper fraction. 25 1 ja 25 plus 1 is 26 upon 25 has power 4. Write the expanded form. 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. After 25 is 25 1 ja 40, 5 ja 6 ja 2 ja and 5 ja. 25 6 ja 150, 2 ja and 5 ja, and 25 by 25 after multiply 26 4 25 1 ja 25 is 40 140, 5 ja 56, 20 and 25 ja 25 6 ja and 25 ja 4 lakh. We get the 4,56,975 rupees. Get the discharge the debt. His debt is equal to 4,56,975 rupees. Thank you.